Hey there and welcome! Today we're exploring how a prenatal yoga ball can be a game changer for expecting mothers. Hi everyone! Welcome back to Tony Herbal Remedies. If you're expecting and looking for ways to prepare for labor while staying fit, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into why the prenatal yoga ball is an absolute game changer compared to traditional exercises for labor preparation. Stick around to learn how this simple tool can make a big difference in your pregnancy journey. First, let's talk about what a yoga ball or birthing ball actually is. This large inflatable ball is designed to support your body's natural movements and alignment. It's not just for yoga enthusiasts. It's a fantastic tool for expecting moms to improve flexibility, reduce discomfort, and even shorten labor time. So why is the prenatal yoga ball better than traditional exercise routines? Here are 5 key reasons. Traditional exercises like squats or running can sometimes put added stress on your joints, especially during pregnancy when your body is already adapting to extra weight and hormonal changes. With a yoga ball, you can perform low-impact exercises that are gentle yet effective. The ball absorbs some of the pressure, giving you a safer, more comfortable workout. Proper pelvic alignment is crucial for labor prep. Sitting on a yoga ball encourages your pelvis to open naturally and helps position your baby optimally for delivery. Exercises like pelvic tilts and figure eights on the ball can make a world of difference. Let's be honest. Lower back pain is one of the most common complaints during pregnancy. The yoga ball allows you to stretch and strengthen your lower back muscles, providing relief and preventing further discomfort. Gentle bouncing or rocking on the ball can release tension and soothe aches. Maintaining core strength is essential during pregnancy, but traditional core exercises like crunches are off limits. The yoga ball engages your core muscles as you balance, helping you build strength safely and effectively. A stronger core supports your posture and reduces the risk of diastasis recti. Finally, the yoga ball isn't just for exercise. It's a great tool for relaxation. Use it for deep breathing exercises, meditation, or simply sit on it while swaying gently. This helps reduce stress and prepares your mind and body for labor. Did you know you can also use a yoga ball during labor? Many women find it helpful for easing contractions and staying mobile during early labor. Hospitals and birthing centers often provide them, but it's great to bring your own so you're familiar with it. So, there you have it. The prenatal yoga ball is more than just a piece of exercise equipment. It's a versatile, supportive tool that can enhance your pregnancy experience and make labor prep easier and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with other moms-to-be, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on pregnancy and wellness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.